Hey everybody, it's Derek here. Today I have with me this Cook Instant 5 ingredients or less cookbook for electric pressure cookers. This is what the front cover looks like. We got your pressure cooker in the back. This is what the spine looks like. And here's the back. You can pause to read the description. It comes with a few pictures of the recipes included in this book. Appetizer, main course, dessert. This is a nice size hardcover book. That is how thick it is. You open it up. You have more pictures on the inside covers. Everything you need to know is in here. You got your table of contents, how to use the pressure cooker, what exactly it is, and just keep flipping through it. You have these pictures accompanied by the recipes, which is very helpful so you know what you're cooking. You know what the final product is supposed to look like. All the pictures are high quality. And you have different chapters. This one is of poultry, chicken. You got tacos, soups, deviled eggs, meatball sandwiches, and just spaghetti. Just keep going. There's so much variety of foods in here. It's a great book to have. Skip to the end. It comes with your index, so it's easier to find. More pictures on the inside cover. And there you go. I highly recommend this book.